Hey, so I wanted to take you behind the scenes today. We're gonna go someplace special. We're gonna head over to Anaheim for one of the biggest YouTube conferences on the planet. It's called VidCon. Hey, we're here at VidCon in the jungle right now, and I'm gonna be talking to some men about what they find attractive in a woman. The top three things, man. Top three things.
Honesty, loyalty, persistence. Persistence in pushing your career, in pushing your relationship, persistence in bettering yourself.
Oh, really? Okay.
So the most attractive quality that I have in my wife, and the reason I married her, was her determination and motivation to go and she just has a relentless pursuit to just go and do whatever that is. So she loves to dance.
Probably all the common interests that we had, already. So we had lots of things to converse about that were, just kept everything going.
All right. I see a lot of 10-year-olds around here. How about some 30 to 65 great-looking guys for you? We're on the hunt.
And, someone who doesn't trip out over the little smallest things. I think the biggest thing is especially when you're with a woman for a while, you really need them to keep that ongoing, true personality type, strong. They can't change over time.
Okay, what do you find attractive?
I like a good body and nice eyes.
Nice eyes. Good body and nice eyes. So, look who I found at VidCon. Mr. Antonio Borello, the man, the myth, right here.
How are you? It's so great to meet you in person.
So, yes, this is our first time meeting in person.
Love what you're doing. Love your work.
So, the question is,
yes,
that I've been asking lots of random gentlemen around this establishment, 3 things that you find attractive in a woman. I know you give dating advice. You got millions and millions of views, and you speak on this topic, but I want to hear from you, Antonio, personally. What do you find attractive in a woman? 3 things.
Okay. Not to sound cliche, but obviously confidence is big on my, in my book. But even more than confidence, I love when women are fearless. When they are ready to take on the world. That is the hottest thing to me. It's big.
Interesting. The guy, one of the ones we interviewed earlier, same exact thing. He used a different word for it, but that fearlessness to go after your dreams and to take on the world.
Yeah, so
super sexy.
That's kind of, I mix that with ambition.
Yeah.
But then a sense of humor is so important as well.
All right.
That's so important.
All right, now, but your sense of humor. So, what kind of what's the funny movie that you love? Because there's all different kinds of sense of humor. There's sarcastic. There's slapstick. So what do you love, man?
More sarcastic.
Sarcastic?
Yeah, I love sarcasm. And I love, reaction videos when people are put in weird situations. So that's my style of comedy. So if anyone can find humor in that, I really like that. And then probably the third thing is definitely intelligence.
Okay.
Yeah, intelligence. Because those 3 together, you have a superstar.
You do have a superstar, man. Oh, thanks so much for joining us, man.
Yeah, I'll be back.
All right. Bonus attraction tip. The willingness to be like a little kid and have some fun. Let's go.
Biggest thing I can't deal with, biggest pet peeve, is we set a time. Let's say movie, let's say date, let's say dinner, and they're late. Or me sitting in my car waiting to pick them up.
Yeah.
I've dealt with that with the last 3 relationships I've had, and I've told the other 2 that the last 2 were like it, and they still make you wait regardless. And it's not just makeup or dressing, it's them rummaging through bags or shelves or redecorating a cabinet, or I'm like, what are you doing right now? It's time to go. So that's a big thing. I think it's being prompt.
Being on time.
Yeah, being on time.
With my girlfriend especially, it's, conversational, someone that, will carry on talking to you. That's a good question. Sense of humor. I liked your sense of humor.
Okay.
Yeah, I liked your sense of humor, and again, I just saw the drive and dedication to just want more. She didn't want to be, nothing against the stay-at-home moms, but she wanted more than just to have kids and settle down. She wants to go and travel and do and build businesses, and so much more than just Not that there's anything wrong with that, but she wanted more than just to settle down.
And that was,
I like girls that respect themselves and know their worth. A woman that know her worth, I spot that from a mile away. I'm going chasing.
I always look at the eyes. The eyes says it all. Like,
Okay.
honestly, it sounds cheesy, but yeah, like the eyes, and obviously they have to have a good body, because like the good body, the character, be fun, and also common interests.
okay. So what is it that you find attractive in a woman?
Well, I just really just want a woman to respond to me, call me back. So many women, they don't call me back, and when they don't call me back, it just makes me so mad.
I think that this person is in the moment. That's one of the things, but it's just there, exists as such. She's not some lingering,
Yeah,
illusion.
A woman who can be fully present with you.
Well, if I'm gonna give my 110% to you, I expect at least 75 from you, if not 100. And if you can give 110, wow, we're a match.
So, some interesting comments from some gentlemen here at VidCon, and what's interesting is you start to hear the theme of determination and ambition come through as something that's highly attractive to men. And as I'm reflecting on that, I can absolutely validate that in my own life, because my wife is a singer-songwriter, and when I see her on stage going for her dream, rocking the audience with her songs, Affirmajams, my heart expands. I feel so much love and joy for her. I'm so proud of her. And so my question to you is, what is something that you have an ambition for in life? What's something that you would love to accomplish, love to experience, that would release more life in you? Because as you do that, you ignite attraction in men. We find that highly attractive, highly compelling. Go ahead and post that in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, we're all about increasing love in the world one heart at a time. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell so that you get the notifications. I'm cheering you on. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.